Are you the go-to fashion advisor for your friends? Do you love shopping and have a keen eye for deals? If yes, then stay tuned as we reveal how you can turn your passion into profit. Welcome to my channel, the Online Opportunity Hub. Today we are going to talk about the lucrative world of personal shopping where helping others find the perfect items can fill your wallet. Whether it's navigating through the maze of retail stores or clicking through the endless options online, a personal shopper makes shopping a breeze for their clients. Let's break it down. Step 1. Build your brand. Create a portfolio that showcases your style and success stories. Step 2. Market yourself. Use social media to reach potential clients. Share your shopping hauls, client testimonials, and styling tips to attract a following. Step 3. Understand your client. Communication is key. Learn their preferences, sizes, and the occasion they're shopping for. Step 4. Budgeting. Work with your clients to set a realistic budget for their needs, ensuring a happy wallet for both parties. Step 5. Offer a range of services. From wardrobe overhauls to gift shopping, the more you offer, the more you earn. And there you have it. Personal shopping isn't just about making sales, it's about building relationships and trust. Ready to start your journey as a personal shopper? Hit the subscribe button for more insider tips and tricks. And don't forget to share this video with your fashion-forward friends. Until next time, keep hustling and keep thriving. Bye.